Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how those cool little chatbots you see on websites are made? Maybe you've thought about building one for your own project, your business, or just for fun. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to demystify the process and show you that creating a basic chatbot is probably a lot easier than you think. We'll break it down into 3 simple core components that you can start working on right away. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to building your very own digital assistant, ready to dive into the world of conversational AI. Let's get started. First things first, every chatbot needs a face of place where users can type and see responses. This is the user interface, or UI. You can build this using the trifecta of web development: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML will structure the chat window, the input field, and the send button. CSS will make it look pretty. You can style it to match your website's branding. Choose colors, fonts, and make it responsive so it looks great on any device. Finally, JavaScript will handle the user interactions, like capturing what the user types and displaying the messages in the chat history. Don't worry about making it perfect from the start. A simple, clean interface is all you need to get the ball rolling. Okay, so you've got a beautiful chat box. Now what? When a user sends a message, it needs to go somewhere to be processed. This is where the backend comes in. Think of the backend as the chatbot's brain. You can build this using a server-side language like Node, JS, Python with a framework like Flask, or even PHP. The backend's job is to receive the message from the front-end interface, figure out what to do with it, and then send a reply back. At this stage, you can start with some simple logic. For example, if a user types hello, your backend can be programmed to always respond with hi there, how can I help you? This is the foundation for all the complex conversations your chatbot will eventually handle. Now for the really exciting part, making your chatbot smart. To move beyond simple, pre-programmed responses, you need to connect it to an artificial intelligence service. This is what allows your chatbot to understand natural language, remember context, and provide truly helpful and dynamic answers. There are some incredible platforms out there that make this super accessible. You can use APIs from services like OpenAI's GPT models, Google's Dialogflow, or Microsoft's Bot framework. These services do the heavy lifting of natural language processing. You just send the user's message to their API, and they send you back a smart, human-like response. Integrating one of these will take your chatbot from a simple script to a powerful conversational agent. And there you have it, a simple 3-step guide to creating your own chatbot. You build the front-end chat interface, connect it to a backend to handle the logic, and then integrate an AI service to give it a brain. Of course, each of these steps can get much more complex, but this is the fundamental blueprint. You can now add more features, train it on specific data, and deploy it on your website or messaging app. The possibilities are endless. I hope this breakdown was helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see a more detailed, step-by-step coding tutorial on this topic, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy coding!